machine is a bench brake lift to resurface brake rotors and drums. You have all the adapters to attach to the different size brake rotors and brake drums. This machine is an in-vehicle brake lift. It's pretty much to resurface brake rotors without having to remove them from the vehicle. This machine is a wheel balancing machine. After you put a new tire or you remove an older tire, you need to put it back in balance. That's the purpose of this machine, that way you don't have vibration on the high speeds. This is a wheel changer machine. You pretty much, on that side, you pretty much break the bead, and here you have all the pedals to unmount and mount the tire. You have this arm for low profile tires to make it easy for you, and this pretty much like a cheater, it inputs air under a lot of pressure to pop the bead back on the tire. This machine is to do brake flushes. These are the adapters to put on every single brake bleeder. You have the buttons right here, pretty much color coordinated, and this is to fill and empty out the brake master cylinder. This machine is to do a automatic transmission flush. You have all the different adapters and the hoses. Once you connect that to the transmission cooler, you set up the machine and it pretty much removes all the old fluid and puts new fluid in, and it keeps doing it constantly, so you pretty much have all clean fluid. This machine is to do a coolant flush. It does pretty much everything on its own. It evacuates and recharges the system under pressure. That way you don't have to pretty much work the system. Pretty much does everything on its own, and it opens up the thermostat under pressure. This machine is the R134A machine. It's for the AC. It pretty much does everything. Evacuates, recharge, it does the leak test, and removes the oil and inputs new oil over here. We have the bottles for new and used oil. This machine is an alignment machine. It pretty much does four-wheel alignments. Over here is the computer, the printer to print out the results after you finish doing all the adjustments. These are the alignment heads. And over here you have all the different adapters for the tires. For smaller vehicles,